Amen.
Every time you speak, every time you share it, your life testimony, no one congrats it. Sa vlogger, maraming mga video na nanakaw. At tayo, pag ninakaw yung video natin, isi-share natin sa iba, it's good.
Yes.
There is Jesus, there is power that can change
Amen.
their life. Little things can change their life. So, always remember that authority came from God, from Jesus. Second is that we will engage people intentionally. Intentionally. So somebody invited you. So it's not an accident that you are my applicant. It's God's purpose time. Intentionally. That's why before right now it's a good thing that you're starting or again your devotional with your Ate Jane. Before we're doing it in the first batch with Auntie. Every day. The whole day, because some are busy, so we have our devotional every 11 o'clock in the evening. Because we don't, actually, you don't sleep, right? Or you just sleep minimal. Last time we are talking with Brother Ahmad, 3 o'clock already in the morning, 4 o'clock, oh still you're awake. Me too. So that's the moment. But we engage. Therefore, go and make disciples. Engage. We go where people go. But we don't see in what people are doing. We just go there. See? You could see most likely you are new here, but some of you are always almost 5 years, maybe 2 to 3 years. This place of you ate too much. The spirit of Sodom and Gomorrah is too much here in this place of UAE. But God has a purpose why you are here.
Amen.
Not to entertain them, but to pray for them. That is a purpose. So I was, last time, one of our applicants, they ran away. I was so sad because, you know the story. But the devil wanted to destroy. I don't want you to destroy your life. That is a purpose. God has a purpose. So we engage people to go. It means to take initiative. That's why in our place we treat everybody as family. That's the one thing that I could learn, I could share. We are relational. What you eat, I also eat. See? What